Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy SPX on interactive brokers. First, understand that SPX options are cash-settled index options, not shares. You'll need an interactive broker's account, so ensure it's set up and funded. Then, familiarize yourself with their Trader Workstation, or TWS, platform. It's powerful but takes a little getting used to for new users. Before trading, confirm your interactive broker's account has the necessary options trading permissions enabled. Once logged into TWS, use the search bar to find SPX. This will bring up various SPX-related instruments. Make sure to select the actual SPX index option chain, which is typically listed under indices or options. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. And on another note, if you love reading about market strategies or just enjoying a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, within the SPX option chain, select your preferred strike price and expiration date. Decide if you want to buy a call or a put option. Click Buy to open the order entry window. Carefully review all the order details, including the quantity, price, and order type, before finally submitting your trade.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.